You ever wonder what stupidity looks like at 50 miles per hour in the rain? Watch this pickup and Mercedes turn LA streets into their personal racetrack. And nearly cause a crash. Unreal.
You see these two idiots in front of me? They're racing one another. Now that is highly illegal, especially in LA where there are a lot of people that get injured from people racing. What's even dumber is they're doing it in slick weather conditions. What's even dumber than the dumber part is one is a pickup truck and the other is a S-Class Mercedes, which is probably the most awkward car to watch trying to drag race. Because it's this big boat of a car that's so frumpy when it's driving. But I hope it was worth it for them. But let that be a lesson to you watchers. Don't drive like those two idiots in front of me. That white sedan and that big ugly pickup truck. Because guess what? There are other people on the road. Oh, there's almost an accident right there to my left. Now these dipshits are... Fucking moron. Okay, so there's what I deal with every day. But let that be a lesson to you guys. Please drive safely.